have learned آ اول آ غیر اول. Now let's go to the next sound in Persian. ب. ب sound. ب غیر آخر. ب آخر. But before, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends that they want to learn Persian. Okay, let's go to ب. ب غیر آخر. ب آخر. ب غیر آخر. ب آخر. ب غیر آخر is ب. A very beautiful curve here and a very beautiful dot below. ب غیر آخر means non-final ب, which come always at the beginning and in the middle of the words in Persian, but never and ever at the end, because for the end of any word in Persian that we have ب آخر, this form we have, its name is ب آخر, means final ب, which comes at the end of the words in Persian. You see this at the beginning and in the middle, and this at the end of the words. Now look at here. Look at here. You see Baba. Baba means dad, because for father in Persian we have pedar, but Baba is dad. Let's write this word with B. Ba. Baba. You see, we have ب غیر آخر, non-final ب and آ. آ غیر اول, ب غیر آخر and آ that we have learned in the previous lesson. Baba. Baba is dad. And you see this very amazing animal, babr. Babr. Babr is a very beautiful example of ب غیر آخر, ب sound, and ب in the middle position. Again, ب. 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 babr. Babr. Babr is tiger in Persian that we have ب غیر آخر, again ب غیر آخر and sound that I will teach you, and bastani. You see, bastani in Persian is bastani. Bastani with ب غیر آخر. You see, Baba, Babr, bastani. Bastani. Now, with ب آخر, ب آخر, we have کتاب. 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 You see, ب آخر, this form, and tab. Swing in Persian is tab. You see, be آخر. Be آخر. You can see this be. Look at here. Look at here. To summarize, be is always at the beginning and the middle, so it takes the hand of the previous sound hand. See, be, but this be آخر. Let me show you with a different color that you can see be آخر can take the hand of the previous sound but not the next. This is always at the end of the word. Look at the word sieb. Look at the word sieb, apple. In Persian, you see, be takes the hands of e, but not here. It is the last sound. So, به غیر آخر، ب بآخر. Now your homework for ب غير آخر بآخر. Bring your homework at home and write 1 line, 2 lines. Read aloud with yourself and say ب غير آخر بآخر. Exactly like B in English is pronunciation, but ب غير آخر بآخر. ب غير آخر بآخر. 1 or 2 lines. Good luck.